Today we're going to show you how to transform dated old countertops into sleek new faux granite countertops using the Beyond Paint countertop system. According to industry experts, kitchen and bathroom remodels are considered the top 2 investments you can make in your home. With Beyond Paint's countertop system, you can drastically update the look of your space in one weekend for less than $100. Now that's a return on an investment. Let's show you just how easy it is. To get this project started, we just wipe the surface off with a scent-free cleaner to make sure that it's clean, dry, and free from grease, wax, and oils. Now we are ready to apply our first coat of Beyond Paint countertop. Using a soft bristle brush, just simply mush or stipple into crevices or hard-to-reach areas. Now, when using Beyond Paint countertop, make sure to roll as much of the area as possible. We are using the recommended 3/8-inch fabric roller to get a nice smooth finish. You'll notice as it rolls on how well Beyond Paint countertop covers the surface of our counter with just the first coat. 2 coats are recommended, and while it is dry to the touch in just as little as 20 minutes, you should allow the recommended 2 hours drying time between coats. Immediately after applying the second coat of paint, we begin to shake the Beyond Paint Color Flex onto the wet countertop, making sure to evenly cover the entire surface before the paint starts to dry. Once our color flecks have been added, we wait for the surface to dry before lightly sanding the countertop with a 320 grit sandpaper to remove any unadhered flecks and to smooth out that surface. When we finish sanding, we clean the surface again to prep it for Beyond Paint's multi-purpose sealer. It's recommended that you wait 24 hours before applying that first coat of sealer. Before you apply, shake or stir the sealer thoroughly. After dipping your roller into the Beyond Paint multi-purpose sealer, wring the roller out onto the roller tray to remove as much of the sealer as possible. If the sealer is applied too heavily, it could result in a cloudy finish, especially when applied over those dark colors. Allow 2 to 4 hours, or preferably overnight, if the surface still appears to be cloudy before you apply that second coat. The sealer will leave a low-level satin sheen that will protect the surface and make it durable. And just as easy as that, we've given an unattractive countertop a sleek and durable granite look for under $100 using the Beyond Paint countertop system. For paint for all your home projects, visit beyondpaint.com.